I'm Damon Hatfield and this is IGN News. You may have heard that actor Hugo Weaving has been making some surprisingly candid remarks about his work in Captain America and the Transformers movies. Basically, he said he didn't have any interest in reprising his role as Red Skull in any Captain America sequels, and that his role as Megatron in the Transformers trilogy was meaningless to him. On Transformers, Weaving said, "It was one of the only things I've ever done where I had no knowledge of it, I didn't care about it, I didn't think about it. My link to that and to Michael Bay is so minimal. I have never met him, I was never on set, I've seen his face on Skype. I know nothing about him really. I just went in and did it. I never read the script. I just have my lines and I don't know what they mean." Needless to say, Weaving's candor is unusual for a big Hollywood actor. Michael Bay, the Transformers director Weaving never met, has responded with the following statement at his official website. "Do you ever get sick of actors that make $15 million a picture or even $200,000 for voiceover work that took a brisk 1 hour and 43 minutes to complete and then complain about their jobs? With all the problems facing our world today, do these grumbling thespians really think people reading the news actually care about trivial complaints that their job wasn't artistic enough or fulfilling enough? I guess the Hollywood Reporter thinks so. What happened to people who had integrity, who did a job, got paid for their hard work, and just smiled afterward? Be happy you even have a job, let alone a job that pays you more than 98% of the people in America." I have a wonderful idea for all those whiners. They can give their unhappy job money to a wonderful elephant rescue. It's the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust in Africa. I will match the funds they donate. Now, to be fair, it didn't seem to me like Hugo Weaving was complaining about Transformers not being artistically fulfilling enough for him. He was just admitting that the movies were simply a paycheck to him. But Michael Bay seemed to take umbrage with the comments. In any case, Transformers 4 begins filming next year, with or without Hugo Weaving. If there are any further developments in this story, we'll let you know right here at IGN.